Hi, my name is Gabby and today we're going to be doing a sheep's eye dissection. Here is my note card with all my structures. So let's begin with the anterior aspect of the sheep's eye. We're going to start with bringing in. Okay. So starting from the anterior aspect, working our way back. This is our cornea, and that is going to be this fairly thickish translucent membrane, which is the outermost aspect of the sheep's eye. And then if we pull it back, now we can see our pupil, which isn't actually a structure but more of a opening that is formed via the iris. And then this is the iris right here, and then once again this is our pupil. So then as we pull that back, then you can see this larger structure right here. I didn't actually take it out. It's just the lens. So let me put my glove back on. And then additionally, this is going to be our anterior cavity, which would be facilitating our aqueous humor. You didn't really see it with this for preservation reasons. But so now we can go ahead and open it up. And here is our lens. Okay, it's hard, translucent. And then as you can see again, we have our iris here, and then on the back would be the striations and the ciliary muscles. And so then as we come in to the eye, didn't want to separate it all the way. But so now we have our posterior cavity, which would be all of this area, and then we have our vitreous humor, which is going to be this jelly. Okay, and then we have this thin structure that encapsulates the interior of the eye. This is the retina, this yellow thin membrane right here. Then we go into the more superficial layer of the internal eye. This is this layer right here. This is the choroid, yes. Retina, choroid, and then this is the lucidums. I can't remember what it's called, but this is so that the sheep can see at night, with them being nocturnal animals. And then we can go into our thick layer, which actually forms the eye in the white aspect when we see eyes, which is the sclera. And then we can come back over here, and then this is going to be our optic nerve. And you can additionally see the muscles. I didn't know how to know which aspect of the eye was from the top or bottom, so I couldn't identify muscle features, but there you go. There's our eye and our 12 anatomy structures.